Have you ever seen this? Maybe you have, and maybe you didn't know what you were looking at. But every once in a while, I'll have a look at an outdoor unit, the outdoor air conditioner. You know, that cube thing with the fan on top. And the whole bottom corner of it will be rusted right through. All the little fins are completely gone. The copper tubing, which is part of the compressor coil, is all exposed. Usually it's all turned green because it's been severely corroded. Do you know what's causing that? Most people have no idea. They think poor manufacturing, or it's just old, it wasn't a good quality product, but you would be surprised. Dogs and air conditioners. It's the neighbor's dog, or maybe your dog. Always a male, of course, because they're the only ones that can hit this angle, but they're spraying all over it, and they've been doing it for quite a while, and it's completely destroyed the air conditioner. So there is some solutions to solve that problem, and if you stay tuned for part 2, I'll tell you exactly what you can do. But if you can't, that's okay. Stay cool this summer, but stay tuned.